guys, this is Ella. I'm coming back to teach you a trick how you can extend your layers in Procreate. So if you're interested, please make sure that you subscribe my channel so I can make more videos for you. Okay, let's get to it. If you have noticed in Procreate, you have several different options for choosing your canvas. Better resolution, unfortunately, less layers. So if you want to extend your layers in Procreate with big, best quality canvas, you have to do this trick. I told you it works all the time. In this canvas, 5,000 pixel to 6,000 pixel, Procreate limited you just to have 18 layers. Just do your art. When the layers got finished, you just come here, select what canvas you want to extend the layers. When you select it, duplicate it. Now you have two copies. This is your original one, and this is the one that I want you to show you how you can extend. Open it, go to layers, merge all the layers into just one. After you do this, hold the layer in gallery. Add what kind of canvas. I think we're going for 5,000 to 6,000, and let the layer go. Now you can extend more 18 layers to this canvas. If you just want more layers, you just have to do this process for second time. Now, what is the difference? So you have 1 to 18 layers here, 19 to 36 here. You can edit all the layers. If you want to edit layer in 1 to 18, you just edit here, and afterward you can just duplicate it and then move it here. The only thing that you have to edit here, just bring the other layer here and delete this one. So now you have more layers, more quality, and the whole art you want. If you enjoyed this one, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching me. Bye.